Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to make your workplace not only safer, but also more trendy. Today, we are diving into the essential topic of health and safety training and how you can elevate your workplace to the next level. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Picture this, a workplace that is not only efficient and productive, but also prioritizes the well-being of its employees. Imagine a space where safety comes first and where everyone feels empowered to speak up and take action. That's the workplace of the future, and we're here to show you how to make it a reality. Before we dive into the practical tips, let's talk about why health and safety training is so crucial. Not only does it protect your employees from potential hazards, but it also boosts morale and productivity. When your team feels safe and supported, they are more likely to excel in their roles and take pride in their work. So, investing in health and safety training is not just a legal obligation, it's a strategic decision that will pay off in the long run. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to make your workplace more trending with health and safety training. Start by conducting regular safety audits and inspections to identify any potential risks or hazards. Create clear protocols and guidelines for your team to follow, and make sure everyone is properly trained to handle emergencies. Encourage open communication and feedback so that everyone feels comfortable reporting safety concerns or suggesting improvements. In conclusion, making your workplace more trending is not just about following the latest fads. It's about creating a culture of safety and well-being that will benefit your team for years to come. So, take these tips to heart and start transforming your workplace today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your colleagues. Stay safe and stay trendy.